Welcome to World Insights by Hareem. Today, we're taking you on an extraordinary journey through the globe's most fascinating wedding traditions. From vibrant celebrations to deeply rooted customs, weddings are more than just unions. They are stories, heritage, and culture wrapped into one magical event. So, let's dive into 10 unique wedding traditions from around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our growing global family. In Pakistan, weddings are grand, multi-day celebrations. The mehndi ceremony, where intricate henna designs are applied to the bride's hands, symbolizes beauty and joy. Next is the barat, where the groom arrives in a festive procession, often on a decorated horse or car, accompanied by music and dancing. The bride's entrance, amidst traditional songs and emotional moments, is truly unforgettable. In India, weddings are colorful and steeped in tradition. The Saptapadi ritual, or 7 steps, is a defining moment. The couple walks around a sacred fire, taking vows of loyalty, respect, and companionship. The vibrant outfits, mesmerizing dances, and elaborate decorations make Indian weddings a spectacular affair. In Japan, many couples opt for a Shinto ceremony, where prayers are offered to the deities for blessings. The bride wears a pure white kimono, symbolizing purity, while the couple sips sansan-kudo, sake shared in 3 sips each from 3 cups, symbolizing unity and harmony. In Kenya, the Maasai tribe has a unique wedding tradition. The bride's father spits on her head and chest as a blessing, symbolizing good fortune. This may seem unusual, but it's a heartfelt gesture in their culture, emphasizing respect and family bonds. In Greece, weddings are lively and full of joy. One famous tradition is the money dance, where guests pin money to the bride and groom during a dance. It's both a fun celebration and a way to wish prosperity for the couple's future. In Mexican weddings, the lazo ceremony is a special moment. A decorative rope or rosary is draped around the couple in a figure 8 shape, symbolizing their eternal bond. The celebrations are vibrant, often featuring colorful decor and joyous dances. In Scotland, the ancient Celtic ritual of handfasting binds the couple's hands together with ribbons or cords, symbolizing their union. Often conducted in breathtaking castles or lush landscapes, Scottish weddings are a blend of tradition and romance. In South Korea, the groom presents a pair of wooden ducks or geese to his bride's family. These birds symbolize fidelity and lifelong commitment, as they are believed to mate for life. The ceremony often features traditional Korean attire, adding elegance and charm. In Italy, it's customary to break a glass at the wedding. The shattered pieces symbolize the number of happy years the couple will share. Italian weddings are known for their heartfelt vows, delicious food, and beautiful venues. In Morocco, the henna night is a cherished pre-wedding event. The bride's hands and feet are adorned with intricate henna patterns for protection and luck. Moroccan weddings are lavish, featuring traditional dances, vibrant dresses, and cultural blessings. From the intricate henna of Pakistan to the joyous money dance of Greece, weddings celebrate love in countless unique ways. Which tradition fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Insights by Hareem for more incredible journeys around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and celebrating the beauty of diversity.